shit, look at that.
This. Big wave just came up and washed all this stuff over the road.
Like we were sitting at the boat launch.
Amazing. As soon as I turned the camera off, this happened. Luckily, I still had it in my hand. I don't have my cell phone with me either, so I can't call anybody. I was just going to drive away, too. I wish I had the camera on when that.
I know.
Traffic's backed up way over there. People just keep going through like, whatever.
What do you do, eh?
Yeah. If somebody got out and pulled that log away, then there wouldn't be as much of a problem. But I ain't gonna do it.
Double blowing out there.
Yeah. That water's coming off the top of that rock like a twister.
Where's the big one?
Yeah. I'll just keep it running just in case there's another dandy like that.